Hello, children. In the online session today we learn about school things, right? Now the school has started. You require some things that you used to take to the school. Uh, right now you are not going to school, so you are using that things at a home, correct? So let's go through this. Here in this, we are going to learn about the small passages. That means the conversation is there between a father and a daughter, and through that we are going to learn some new things. Okay, so here the first topic is school things. Here you can see it is a pencil case, this is a notebook, it's a glue stick, this is the folder, and it is a paint box. I am repeating it: pencil case, notebook, glue stick, folder, and a paint box. Here the first conversation is there. Here in this picture you can see a father is there and a daughter is there. So father is asking some question to his daughter. Let's go through it. What is this? Is it a bag? Here at the end of the sentence there is a question mark, so we have to read this sentence as a question. What is this? Or what's this? Because apostrophe s is there. Here what is this? But it is this is the contrast form of what is. So you have to pronounce this as a what's this? Is it a bag? So Emily answered, yes, it is. What is the question is asked? Is it a bag? So she has answered that yes, it is. Open the bag. Dad, look, it's a pencil case. Okay, so what's there? There is a pencil case in the bag. Now see the second conversation. Again Dad is asking, is it a book? So Emily answer, no, it isn't. As we have seen the contrast form here over here, the same way here is not, it's written as isn't. No, it isn't. Because it wasn't a book. It wasn't a book, and that's why Emily answered that no, it isn't. This is a folder and this is a notebook. Third conversation. Is this a rubber? No, it isn't. This is a glue stick and this is a paint box. Open the door, Emily. Okay, thanks, Dad. Here, even you can see the punctuation marks that we have already learned in the third standard. So, wherever there is a comma, you have to take a short pause. Okay, so I hope that you understand this conversation. Let's go ahead with the comprehension. Here the pictures are given and these pictures are labeled with the letters A, B, C and a D. In this picture you can see the things. Here write the letters. So you are going to read the sentence and you are going to write the letters in the boxes. First sentence is, this is a glue stick. So from this picture where you can see a glue stick, in this picture which is labeled as a C. So you have to write C later in the box. Second, open the door, Emily. So here from this picture shows the dad is telling to Emily to open the door. So you are going to write a D in this. We did this in the online session. Now the next sentence is, this is a folder. So you are going to find out which is the folder and which letter is labeled with it. Open the bag, Dad. Okay, so these two sentences you are going to solve. Now the next, write Emily or Dad. So first is given. Here you are going to say, who said these sentences? So the first sentence is it a bag? So this question if you will see, it is asked in the first conversation by Emily's dad. यानी Emily के dad ने question पूछा है, is it a bag? So here the answer is written, that is dad. Okay, now the next sentence is, what is this? So let's find it out from the passage. So this question is also asked by Emily's dad, that is, what is this? What's this? Okay, so dad asked it. So here also the answer will come as a dad. Okay, now the next sentence is, this is a folder. So you are going to write down who answered it. Who said this sentence? यानी ये sentence किसने कहा? This is a glue stick. So both the sentences you will find it out from the passages who said it, and you will write the name in front of it, whether Emily or a dad. Now the next question is, read and write yes it is or no it isn't. So the first one is done for you. What is it? It's a bag. So the question is asked, is this a bag? So answer is yes it is. Because it is a bag, so we have to answer yes it is. Now what is it? Is it a book? So what do you think? Is it a book? It's not a book, right? It's a folder. It is a folder. So how will you answer it? No, it isn't. What you will answer? No, it isn't. Okay? So you are going to write that. Now these two are for this one is for you. Is this a rubber? So whatever the answer, whether yes it is or no it isn't, that you have to write. यानी आपको choose करना है आंसर और आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. Let's move ahead for the next question. Here the vocabulary is given. Read, put a tick in front of the correct one and put a cross mark in front of the wrong one. This is the picture of a pen. And the sentence is given, it's a pencil. How to read the sentence? It's a pencil. Contraction form is given. It's. It is. We normally used to write it is, but here the contraction form is given, that is it's. This we learn in the third standard, contraction form. हम लोग contraction form third में पढ़ चुके हैं. It's a pencil. So it's a right or wrong? So it's a wrong. So we have to put a cross mark in the box. It's a paint box, and here it's given, it's a paint box. So here what you will put? You will put a tick mark. Now you are going to see the things, you will read the sentences and you will put a tick mark. It's a folder. So whether right or wrong, that you will do. यानी ये आपको करना. It's a pencil case. It's a glue stick. It's a notebook. Now here question number 6, in which you are going to match the things. Choose and write. Here the words are given: paint box, folder, glue stick, notebook, bag, pencil and the pencil case. And the pictures are in front of you. You are going to write the names of the things by choosing it from the packet. Now writing. Here, these spellings you are going to write down in your notebook and learn it. Bag, pencil case, paint box, pencil, pen, folder, notebook, rubber, ruler, glue stick. Circle the school things, write the list. Here the spellings are given, but all are together. There is no gap between the words. Okay, so you have to make it separate. You have to write the correct spellings of that from it. So the first word is pen, then pencil, and the next is notebook. One I will do for you. Here FOLDER, folder. So we have to make a circle to it. It's a folder. Then BAG, bag. Okay, it's the second word. Then RUBBER, rubber. It's a third word. Then you will write the spelling in the provided space. Now you are going to find out this and you are going to write it. And I know that you will do it. Next is write a shopping list for your school things. From today, your school has started. Yes, it's online, but then also you're going to write the school things that you require. You're going to make the shopping list for that. Okay, I hope that you understand this and you're going to complete your work. I will send you the YouTube link of this video.